started, I'd say, in about, I think when I was in maybe 5th grade. I actually started playing soccer first, and then I started growing. And then one day my dad, he was just like, yeah, you're going to start playing basketball now. And so I started playing, and then I didn't really take it seriously until maybe like 7th or 8th grade, and that's when I started practicing like outside of school and, on my own. And then once I got to high school, that's when I really started to pick up. So
when I started playing basketball, I was probably about 7 years old. My dad actually used to take me to the gym with him, and I would just watch him play for like 2 hours, like every other day. I don't remember actually getting on the court. I remember just sitting on the corner and just watching him for 2 hours. I think that's what kind of really introduced me to the game, and I started my first rec league shortly after. So I'd say about like 7 years old, bro. 7 years old. So
po ako maglaro nung 6 years old po ako. Nag-start naman po ako mag-varsity ng high school. Sa school ko po dito sa Charis Christian School. Ginawa po ako ni Pastor Ronald Soqueña, tapos ni Coach Bobby Galazan. Laro po ako sa kanila ng 2 years. Napaabot po namin ng finals yun. After po nun, nag-pandemic po nun. Tapos, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ako sa training nun. Ang nag-training po sa akin nun si Coach Mac Rimaldo. Ang training po namin nun sa harap lang ng bahay namin kasi bawal pa po nun sa mga court eh. Ang sunod naman po nag-training sa akin si Kuya Jazz Guban. Tropa po siya ni Kuya ko. Tapos ayun na po, naglalaro kami sa mga tagong court. Kasi bawal pa po nun maglaro eh. Tapos doon na po, dumadayo-dayo na po kami. Doon na po ako na tuto sa larong pustahan. After po nun, nag-try out po kami ng mga tropa ko po sa Batang Pilipino Basketball League. Team Imus Arsenal po yun. Tapos 300 po yung nag-try out. Sa ako po yung unang tinawag na selected. Ginawa po ako ni Coach John Cani, tapos ni Boss Donnie Ramirez. After po nun, na-scout po ako sa EAC. Yun lang.
5 years old pa ako nun. Siyempre, sa very similar na basketball dito sa Pilipinas, talagang na-impluwensyahan lang din ako ng mga kaibigan ko. Sa totoo lang, sa pamilya ko, wala talagang mahilig basketball. Yung tatay ko, yung mga tito ko, hindi talaga nagbabasketball. Yun nga, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, sobrang ng basketball dito, yung sports, talagang na-impluwensyahan na lang din hanggang sa nakita ko na may nakita akong parang gusto ko siyang tuloy maglalaro kasi nag-i-enjoy ako ng bata.
So I started playing basketball maybe at the age around 11 or 12. So I think that's around 3rd grade. One of my close friends and great friends back in the States introduced me to a little like all-Asian league that he had running with his dad. So he introduced me to the game. I played with them, and I guess you could just say the rest is history. I fell in love with the sport, and here I am now.